It's a lot of work to produce a high-end quality YouTube video. The lighting definitely has to be perfect. Double action, double cleanse, all the smile. All the smile? Yeah, that's tight. Looks like it's easy to use, and I love when they wrap it with the plastic. And you guys, this is another Amazon findings. So let me unpackage this electronic toothbrush. Thanks for doing this unboxing with me, you guys, because you know I have so many great unique things on my channel. I love doing product review, talking about natural hair, hair products, electric vehicles, try on hauls, and many more. It's a nice box too, it's good quality. Oh, that's beautiful. That looks so high-end and rich and expensive. Like, this is a great gift to give to somebody. Black Fridays will be coming up, and this would be a good gift to give to somebody. I mean, it's unisex. Everybody needs to brush their teeth. Oh, this is the case. I love it. It's all magnet. This is so great to travel with. This is the toothbrush. It's not big and bulky. Oh, wow. I love that they put this special little cover over there to protect any fingerprints. And this is nice and gooey little cover. I'm just gonna like push it down. Oh, it's like a really pretty black, matte black. It's very sexy. Oh, it made a little noise. It turned on already. I don't have to charge it up. What? It did come with a really great little packet. Very easy to read. And it talks about do not use the toothpaste with the cleaning, you know, avoid this, avoid that, all the great little things you need, and how to actually use it. Love it. Brilliant. Packaging is lovely. More things came in here, like the charger cord. I'm loving that it even comes with the charger cord, because I heard a lot of them, you just don't get that. Great. Oh, it has like a little click here. I'm just gonna slide it through. Oh my gosh, it's giving me so many different toothbrush pieces. Loving it. 3 total. A black one, a white, like a clear one. Let's try the black, because black and black, you know? Oh, it has a cover to it already. So cute. So easy to put on too, you guys. You just slide that right on there. It's gonna lock in place. Do a little twisty. And it's perfect. Push that little button there. It's here on the bottom. Same thing as the iPhone. Right in there. Now that I plugged it up, it is showing the green light again, so I'm just gonna let it charge just for a little bit. Very easy, nothing to it. I wanna show you guys the toothpaste that I love to use. You can get it from Whole Foods, Air One, Amazon, I believe. I don't think it's at Target, but I get it from Sprouts. And I like it because it is healthy. You see a little baby rabbit in the back? It's like no SLS free, gluten free, vegan, and no fluoride free. And it has a verification of no GMO. And it tastes pretty good too. Every reason when I use this toothpaste, I can always feel like, it's nasty, but I can always feel like mucus draining through. It's like helps. All right, charge up my dear so I can brush my lovely teeth for tonight. And then show you guys how pretty they will look and how strong this machine is. I'm just loving that it has a traveling package. I think that's like, and it's actually lightweight. It's like perfect for my hand. It looks so modern and chic. All right, you guys, I'm gonna put out there the safety tips. Do not use the toothbrush while it's charging, okay? We don't wanna get electrocuted or nothing. We want everything to be fine. Don't use it when it's charging. So if it's totally dead, you guys, it's only gonna take 2.5 hours to get a complete full charge. That is awesome. So, holla. Be brushing you in 2 more hours, okay, baby? All right, another tip. If the battery, like where you're supposed to charge it at or anything, and you see something strange leaking, just don't use it, okay? The last safety tip is don't clean your toothbrush with strong chemicals like cleaning chemicals, bleach, or something crazy. You could just clean it with baking soda or something like that, but it really doesn't need like Windex, you know, Ajax, or just no to the chemicals, okay? Lovely Company wants to give you guys a warranty, not only for 1 year, for 2 years, and for the cord, 1 year. Tell me where you're gonna find that at, where they guarantee great satisfaction, great products, great electronic toothbrush, 2-year warranty. All right, it's getting late. It's time to brush these teeth because I gotta go to bed. Get it right on there. I don't like a lot of toothpaste, just enough. I'm gonna hit that little simple button and let it go to work. Oh, it came off. That's okay. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. My faces when I'm brushing looks ridiculous. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy cleaning experience using this wonderful, smooth, modern, slick, beautiful, well-designed, well-priced electric toothbrush to get those nice whitening, healthy teeth and to take more care of your oral care. Yes. What's going on in your mouth? Subscribe to the channel right there. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. I have good breath.